Oh my gosh, I am so excited. I got a huge surprise. You can kind of see what it is. I'm sure the kids did this or something happened in shipping. But there's something special about this. It's a limited edition. Not a whole lot of them made, but I had to have it. So if I was going to go back into what this is, it had to be the right color. So I'm sure you guys can assume, those that know, that the E-Ride Pro or the Surrounds come in some custom colors. When Nick gets down here, we're gonna unbox this thing and get it built up. Hopefully get a rip it tonight. So check that.
Little boy coming over.
Scored an awesome deal on some wheels. I'm excited to see how they match. We'll have more pictures of these.
All right, be careful. Harder than I thought it did. Oh, I got mine. I wasn't playing down at all. It got me good.